Now, if you've played around with moving apps on your home screen, maybe rearranging them, placing them into folders, well, you may have noticed that in some cases you will lose an app. You're dragging it from one home screen to another, and all of a sudden it's gone. Where did it go? Well, in some cases what it did is it went into a folder, and you don't know what folder it is, and if you have a lot of home screens, you have no idea where that app is. Well, in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at how we can find those apps. Not actually where they are located. We're not able to do that, but we are able to find an app and add it back to the home screen where you originally wanted it, or where it was originally at before you tried to move it. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is stick around to the end. I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and how you can help support my efforts in creating these videos. All right, let's take a look at how we can find lost apps on the iPhone. Let's go over to my iPhone. So I'm looking at my iPhone here, and let's go and move a couple of apps around, and I'm going to show you how you can easily move or misplace an app, lose an app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take reminders here, and we're just going to drag it on top of another app to create a folder, or just move it around. And what it's going to do is it's going to go as I move it around, and let's just say I let go of one. Oops, I didn't mean to let go of that. Where did it go? Where is that app? Well, it's located in this folder, but if I'm not paying any attention, I wouldn't know that. Or what could happen is you take an app and you move it to the next screen, and as you move it around, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, where did that app go? Now what I need to do is I need to find that app. Well, again, we're not able to actually find that app. We're not going to be able to see that it is in this folder. Apple doesn't tell you where an app is located. But what it does allow you to do is re-add an app to the home screen. So what I want to do is take the Sonos app here, which theoretically I lost. So let's just say I lost it. It's gone somewhere. I don't know where it is. What I'd like to do is add it to my first home screen here. So how can I do that? I don't know where it's at. Well, the easiest way is to use search. So what I'm going to do is just swipe down from the top here. I just swipe down, I get to my search, and then I type in search. So it's the Sonos app. So I type in Sonos. And being that it is installed on my iPhone, we can see that we have Sonos here. So now all I need to do is just drag this outside of the search, and I can place it where I want. This is how I can add it back to my home screen. Again, I'm not able to see where the one is that I lost, but I am able to re-add it back to the home screen. So now what I do is I just drag this. So I just tap and hold, and I drag, and I can place it where I want. And now we can see that we have that Sonos app there. So if you lose an app, really all you have to do, instead of trying to find it, it might be easiest, especially if you have a lot of home screens or a lot of apps, it might be easiest just to re-add it to your home screen. Just swipe down to get to the search for that app, and then all you have to do is just drag that, just tap and hold on it for a split second, and then what you're going to be able to do is drag it back to your home screen. You can place it where you want. So that's how you can find those lost apps and add them back into your home screen on the iPhone. Now, if you found this video helpful, what you may want to do is like the video. You can subscribe to my channel. You can share it with your friends and family. Also, what you can do is check out danstutorials.com. In addition to having more videos, I also have an AI assistant modeled after an Apple Genius, and I host classes and webinars on a regular basis. So how can you help support my efforts? Well, it is a membership-based site. When you become a member, I take out all of the ads from the videos, so you don't get to see any of those pesky ads. I also give you access to my AI assistant, and you have access to my classes and webinars. In addition to that, you're also helping support a small business. It is just me. I'm not part of some large organization. So when you become a member of my site, you are directly supporting my efforts in creating these videos. Check out Dan's Tutorials for more information, and thanks for watching.